below. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so basically, my last PR did that. Whenever the AI generates a code for a file, that file will be shown in a below preview section with two buttons, apply and reject. If you click on apply, it would directly apply the updated code, scraping the div view, right? So and after that, we I discussed with James that we want the AI chat to apply the diff automatically without the need to click on the buttons. So I have like a prompt here for index.html. If I send that prompt, it would start generating the code for the file, and after the updated code is calculated, it would show the wait, just a second. Yeah, one thing that I've noticed with the AI chat that if the search block is not in
Uh,
our code,
yeah,
it would not show the diff. It would not show
of
the diff.
course, of course. So that's
Let me just.
what a hallucination. Oh, it's because you didn't. Okay, I
Yeah,
see.
yeah. So the problem was that it was trying to search
A different
wrong
file.
title. Yeah, it did not read the context. That I gave. Also, I have noticed another thing in the AI chat that if I add index.html and if I try to add index2.html, it does not allow me to add another file.
Oh no.
Right now, I can only add one file at a time.
Okay. Yeah, this is a good note for Victor. Um, I I saw this thing that Victor added. He added the snippet already added. I personally
Hmm.
don't feel that it was actually a bug because ChatGPT and Cursor and Windsurf all allow you to add the same file multiple times. But
Yeah, yeah,
it looks like that's there's a bug there with our code.
yeah. Yeah. So the auto diff is working, I guess. Just one thing.
Okay,
Uh,
nice.
Normally, when we use cursor or something, it happens really fast, right? But it in our code it is a little slow as compared to cursor and other IDs.
Really?
Yeah, because I feel like if you when if you use cursor, it almost shows the diffuse in in like a very instant, right? But I think they are using different merge strategy. In our code, when the AI completes the code generation, it first calculates the updated code and then shows the diffuse, right? So I think there is a little more delay than the cursor IDs and other IDs. I think you should test this on your side when I make this code.
Yeah. Let's test it, but it is less than a second, so it's not something I'm very concerned about.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And
So
then
yeah,
if you
that's it from my side.
Okay.
and
Is
then
this good to merge this latest?
Yeah, yeah. After the meeting, I will create the PR.
Okay, perfect. Yeah,
and then
everything he's demoed is actually already merged, except for the fact that the diffs show up right away when you're
Yeah.
running AI chat. So that's the new feature, and that's gonna be cool to have.
what about
Yes.
this one file edited um, uh, prompt where, I mean, if you have accepted the diff, it still shows.
Yeah, it should be removed from the from the view section. Yeah, that I wanted to fix this in when we do the apply all floating button, because when we implement that apply all floating button, I will track a state that will basically track unresolved diffs, and if the unresolved diffs are zero, then it will remove that from the preview section.
Okay, cool. This looks good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
This is
yeah, it
awesome.
feels good too. You should try
Yeah.
it. Um, cool. I'll just go over like the progress that's been made recently. Uh, a lot of a lot of bugs were solved. actually. So if we just look at closed issues here and then go by last updated, can see that in the last, these are all from the last week,
That's
all of
awesome.
these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 in the last week. Um, by Victor and wait, why does these not?
I think they were not
Oh,
assigned.
Victor and they're not assigned. Okay,
Hmm.
but these ones were by. Okay, this one was by,
Burhan.
so by Bur. Okay, three. Yeah, these three from Burhan, these 6 from Victor, and then these ones were I think these 4 were I think from Abdul. So nice work, everyone.
That's nice. Awesome work, everyone. A lot of
Yeah, and that's a good, really good outcome from the hackathon,
yeah,
from the
definitely.
bugathon, because we probably wouldn't have fixed those otherwise.
Yeah, definitely.
So let me just go through the PRs here. Okay, sort by recently updated. Okay, so yeah, in the last week, um, this is for the user profile page, the settings page. Form validation done.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Nice work. We have the this was the big change that added the apply all buttons by Abdul, and then Victor fixed a whole number of bugs with the file pane was really buggy. It was like deleting files and all this stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Fixed, and then improve, and then more uh, validation stuff on the AI chat upload, and yeah, more settings page stuff. So that's where we are.
This is awesome work, guys. A lot of progress.
Yeah. Um, yeah, it's really good.
Okay, so so the next steps will be continue to fix the bugs that we have encountered first, and then adding new features.
Yeah. I think what is really, um, I think we can all give it I think after Abdul merges that, we can all give it a try,
Yeah.
um, and kind of see how the experience is.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I was able to build some simple apps,
Mm-hmm.
and it works using Quen. So yeah, I think that's probably the best. The best next step is if everyone just gives it a shot.
Yeah.
If if things go in this direction pretty well, we could do like another little hackathon where they actually have to make apps
Yeah.
using
Definitely.
GitWit. That could be an idea. But of course, we have
Yeah,
to try it out ourselves, see if it works.
Yeah.
Hmm. Cool. Anything
Yeah.
else?
Awesome.
yeah. Nothing from my side.
Okay. Victor's not doing. He doesn't have any big tasks at the moment, so we can give him more stuff. The only thing that one thing that he is looking into is how to improve the layout here. So to create something that's a bit more flexible,
Mm-hmm.
um, which would like basically allow us to make this layout more customizable.
Mm.
Because as it is right now, like it's a bit like you start you really only have the these two layouts, which may not be the best on like a small screen.
Yeah. True.
So he's got some ideas for that. Cool.
Yeah.
I guess that's it.